Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. This is Vision Weaving, and today's healing energy transmission is called Intuition. It's about honing your intuition. I trust that divine guidance has led you here at the right time. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine, and all you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So tuning in to the aspect of self today that is your subconscious. What resides in the storage vault, the unseen. What is not in the light of your consciousness, held in the theta brainwaves and the delta brainwaves, usually associated with sleep. So take a deep breath into the expansiveness of this field in your heart. And again. This is your heart's magnetic field. All that is held in your heart, seen and unseen, known and unknown, things that you've parked, stuffed away, saving for another day, things that you're not even aware of that are perhaps pulling the levers and the switches and the threads behind the scenes, the back of stage. And in this aspect of self, the unconscious realm, is a deep and central force within your heart. And your heart, when finely tuned to this force, is aware of your intuition. So this is a polishing, this is a honing, this is a holding and an acknowledgement of your internal guide, your moral compass. And the intuition to me feels fluid and flowing. So as we become aware of the subconscious realm and the aspect of self, just allow whatever restrictions or obstacles or blocks that are present in your waking experience of reality to surface here in your mind's eye, to be let go, to be released, to be brought into the light. Maybe there's a fear today that needs to surface so that you can no longer be ruled by it. Maybe this fear has been overriding your intuition. Maybe this fear sends your mind into a spin when you intuitively know what's right for you, what's in tune for you, what's in alignment with you. So just allowing all these mental constructs, any fear that is surfacing, any blocks, any distortions, any discord, whatever it looks like for you, any energy imprints being held in the shadows, in the unconscious, to dissipate, dissolve, resolve, absolve right now, right here, breathing, living, breathing, work of art that you are. Bringing things into the light that no longer serve you. So the tangles and the clouds and the obscuration and the fog can be cleared. And now a fine-tuning of this divine instrument of being, your intuition. Take a deep breath. And another. And another. And now an infusion of sourceful, creative, magnificent, radiant energy from on high to the epicenter of intuition in your being. Nourishment for your soul. You may find that you're thirsty for this energy. It's filling your cup. Filling your cup to overflowing. And with the fine-tunement of this mechanism in your being, an acute awareness and attunement to your intuition. There's a deep sense of knowing of the next step in alignment. In alignment with your true self. And even if the answer is not clear straight away, there's a softening and a receptivity and a patience present for the knowing and the clarity to present in divine timing when it's time for action, when it's time to take that next step. And if you're wrestling with a problem or a decision, or you stand at the crossroads, Take a moment to breathe this beautiful energy right into the center of your being, the heart energy field, deep in the unconscious. Take a deep breath. Just allowing it to unfold in its own sweet time. No pressure, no expectations, no judgments from anybody else. A beautiful resonance in your being that intuitively knows what's true for you. Yes.